Hi, this is Jeff Gump with H&H University. Marketing. Oh my gosh, that's my favorite thing in the whole world. So let's talk a little bit about it. When a league calls you up and says, hey, I want you to send us something, because board meetings, we don't get to do as many as we'd like to. What are you doing? What are you sending them? Are you just sending them an email with information on it? Are you sending them a presentation piece? Well, that's what I want to talk about today. H&H Sports has put together a presentation kit. Okay, in this presentation kit, as you can see, it's themed Catch the Action. It's got both youth and high school kids on the front. And inside of it, guys, let me tell you something. I could never have afforded this when I first got started, even the first 5 or 10 years, because it wasn't available and it wasn't, especially through a lab. So you can put your business card on it. You can customize it with your company information. You can put your company information on the back if you want to for a small fee. And inside this book, you're going to have a marketing book that you're going to be able to send out to the leagues that is going to represent all the different products that you sell. Okay, we put this together, everything from plaques, sponsored plaques, to the ancillary products. Everything's going to be in this booklet, and this is attached inside of this folder. Also, you're going to have a sample of your order form. Again, Catch the Action. Everything is themed. And on the back of the order form, if you're struggling with your order forms, we also have where you can, let's just say we've taken these packages here, A through D, and we've made it out to where the average league of 300 kids is going to spend about $28 a kid. So that's fantastic. So take advantage of this. Also, they have a kit that you can order samples at a reduced price, and you can actually put those inside of your package as well. So I will tell you that if you haven't seen it, touched it, or want to take advantage of it, it's Catch the Action. It's sales marketing material. It's on the website. So please order it. It's time, guys. It's time right now for spring. So this is Jeff Gump signing off with H&H University.